Diabetes is a long-term health condition that affects how your body uses sugar, also called glucose. Glucose is the main source of energy for your body. It comes from the food you eat and travels through your bloodstream to your cells. To move sugar from the blood into the cells, your body uses a hormone called insulin. Insulin is produced by an organ called the pancreas. When your body does not make enough insulin, or cannot use it properly, sugar builds up in the blood. This leads to diabetes. There are three main types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes happens when the body stops making insulin. Type 2 diabetes happens when the body does not use insulin effectively. This is the most common type. Gestational diabetes develops during pregnancy and usually goes away after birth, but it increases the risk of type 2 diabetes later in life. Now let's talk about the symptoms. Common signs of diabetes include feeling very thirsty, urinating more often than usual, feeling tired all the time, and unexplained weight loss. Some people may also experience blurred vision, slow healing wounds, or frequent infections. If diabetes is not managed properly, it can lead to serious complications. High blood sugar over time can damage the heart, kidneys, eyes, and nerves. The good news is that diabetes can be managed. Eating a healthy diet, staying physically active, maintaining a healthy weight, and taking prescribed medication can help control blood sugar levels. Regular checkups.
Treatment depends on the type of diabetes. For people with type 1 diabetes, the body does not produce insulin at all. Because of this, insulin therapy is essential. Insulin is usually taken through daily injections or an insulin pump. People with type 1 diabetes must monitor their blood sugars several times a day to adjust insulin doses and avoid dangerous highs or lows. For people with type 2 diabetes, treatment often begins with lifestyle changes. Healthy eating is one of the most powerful tools in managing blood sugar. A balanced diet includes vegetables, fruits in moderation, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Reducing sugary drinks, sweets, white bread, and processed foods can significantly improve blood sugar control. Portion control is also very important. Eating smaller, balanced meals throughout the day helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Regular physical activity plays a major role in treatment. Exercise helps your body use insulin more. In managing blood sugar, a balanced diet includes vegetables, fruits in moderation, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Reducing sugary drinks, sweets, white bread, and processed foods can significantly improve blood sugar control. Portion control is also very important. Eating smaller, balanced meals throughout the day helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Regular physical activity plays a major role in treatment. Exercise helps your body use insulin more effectively. With gestational diabetes, careful monitoring is essential during pregnancy. Treatment usually includes a healthy meal plan, safe physical activity, and regular blood sugar checks. In some cases, insulin may be needed to protect both mother and baby. Monitoring blood sugar at home using a glucometer is a key part of diabetes care. Keeping a record of your readings helps your doctor adjust your treatment plan if necessary. Weight management is especially important for people with type 2 diabetes. Losing even 5 to 10% of body weight can greatly improve blood sugar control and reduce the need for medication. Managing stress is another important factor. High stress levels can raise blood sugar. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or light exercise can help keep stress under control. Getting enough sleep is also essential. Poor sleep can affect insulin sensitivity and make blood sugar harder to manage. Regular medical checkups should never be ignored. Doctors may check your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, kidney function, and eye health to prevent complications early. It is important to remember that diabetes treatment is not just about taking medicine. It is about building healthy habits that you follow every day. With proper treatment, regular monitoring, and a healthy lifestyle, people with diabetes can live long, productive, and fulfilling lives. If you or someone you know has diabetes, speak to a healthcare professional and create a personalized treatment plan. Taking control today can protect your health for the future. If you want a more health-related video to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.